Hey there, ready to start a business but low on cash? No worries, I'm here to show you how you can get started with less than $100. Yep, you heard that right. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the details, let's talk mindset. The key to starting a business on a budget is creativity and hustle. Don't focus on what you don't have, focus on what you can do with what you've got. Ready to get scrappy and make it happen? Let's go. Here are some business ideas that you can start for under 100. Freelance your skills. Maybe you're great at writing, graphic design, or managing social media. Offer your services online through platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You don't need much to get started, just your skills and a laptop. Drop shipping. With drop shipping, you don't need to stock products. You set up an online store, like on Shopify, and when someone buys, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You just manage the orders and profit from the difference. Handmade crafts. Are you good at making things? Sell your handmade crafts on Etsy or at local markets. With a small investment in materials, you can create products that people will love. Reselling. Hit up thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces, find some hidden gems, and flip them for a profit. It's like a treasure hunt that pays off. Now it's time marketing on a budget. Once you've got your business idea, it's time to spread the word without spending a ton. Use social media. Yes, use social media. Create accounts for your business on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Post regularly and interact with your audience. It's free and super effective. Second one is word of mouth. Tell everyone you know about your new business and ask them to spread the word. Personal referrals are powerful. Post on local community boards or websites like Nextdoor. Sometimes the simplest methods work best, and now this is a very powerful method for marketing. Collaborate with others, team up with other small businesses. You can trade services or give each other shoutouts. Collaborating is a win-win. Now this is a time for work smart, hustle hard. Now that you're up and running, it's time to hustle. But remember, it's not just about working hard, work smart too. Keep track of what you're spending, reinvest your profits, and don't be afraid to make changes if something isn't working. Starting a business with just $100 is totally doable. Now it's up to you to make it happen. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs a little business inspo. See you next time. Bye-bye.